Assalamualaikum everyone. Actually, my voice is a little bit not good. लोगों को आवाज आ रही है? Sorry, I was not able to make a video due to certain things like I was in exams and so on. So I was not able to make the video. So today I'm gonna cover the most important topics. Okay, for the lecture. I'm gonna share the screen also with you guys. It's live, obviously, so that everybody can watch. Watch it now. Can you hear me guys properly? Because I'm not on phones. Actually, I'm going to show you the notes today's. Basically, class more about mm, not about like it's a break. I have given to you. Okay, it's 1 minute 30 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to explain everything. It's a break. आप लोगों के मॉक्स कैसे जा रहे हैं? वालेकुम अस्सलाम। अस्सलाम, कैसे हैं आप लोग? उम्मीद है कि आप लोग ठीक होंगे। वालेकुम अस्सलाम। वालेकुम अस्सलाम। Hope you guys are doing well. Okay. How's your May June 2026 paper? I want to know in comment section. Because I was in my exams, but mostly I received like it was the students who got like stuck in their easy concepts. They got stuck. Okay, got like stuck a little bit. So I came to know they messed up with the easy concept. Just try. This is the correct video for you. This is the correct video for you. So today's basically I will explain more on about the things. Okay. So you have to be in. You have to please, if you can hear me, just like the stream. Okay. I want to share this. Okay. I sure. Okay. I'll share this. Okay. With everyone so that they can also listen to it. Okay. So as you guys know that it's been a couple of days I was not able to connect with you guys because some things are happening. So there's one more channel you can subscribe on that too. It's Umar and Fahad Gaming. That I have created very old channel. You can see over there. I was too young at that time. I was in Pakistan and I was like also my last stream was live stream was on May 10, 2026. Then I go to Pakistan. I was in Pakistan at that time. So on May 3 to 4 I came back to Dubai back, came back. So I was like unable to contact you. Okay. So you can know more things if you want to know, okay? It will be there. You will find my channel, your channel. I have shared many things like the tips for the past paper share questions. Many people have asked me like how to get past paper question. I'm on live stream. Nobody has yet done chat. Then please just yeah. So today's focus will be more on revising the concepts. Okay. Yeah, it will be on revising concepts. We will be going to the concepts. I will be solving more past paper questions today. I will talk less and more past paper questions. So let's not waste our time and let's get to work. Okay. So by this description and the stream, you can be able to know. I think it's for anyone. I think I will check the moderator also. If the stream is for everyone, I have did it. Yeah, so the past paper questions, we will give you like some questions. So I'm saying the past paper questions you will be able to solve when you're completely thorough in the concept. Okay. You can just mismatch the concepts and you don't the concepts and you don't know like what to write. Because mostly the students in May 2026 session was reviewing through the examiner reports in this, so everything it was clearly mentioned. And students have not have lost marks not due to the understanding of they have lost marks due to under exam pressures. So I will not discuss some things before for exam and anxiety. Maybe you lost mark because I know there's a lot of content from the IGCSE curriculum you're getting in your exam. Okay. So this video was actually scheduled for Jan 12, but I have created this stream. Okay. Now it's not more live or something. Okay. If it is in the moderation, I will change it. Yeah, I'll change it. If there is any moderations. Okay. Okay, let's get to work. So I will be sharing my screen. Okay. Only views selected by the channel. I think I have selected channel honors only views. No, there can be any moderators, like moderators, community moderation, participants. Okay. But I will turn on community moderation. I will check like whether I have done something. I will click on anyone. Anyone can see the stream. In the channel dashboard now, this settings now. Just give me a minute, guys. I have to just check whether there is user management. I have approved some users. They are not currently live. Okay. Problem on channels. Can direct to my content. That's fine. Then channel guidelines. Also fine. Correct mechanical. Okay. And subscription time. Subscription time. 1 week. For subscribers, no, not only subscriber, only people who have subscribed for a certain amount of time moderation. Hold on. Basic, basic. Okay, we are supposed this on. I have post. I have blocked certain words that cannot be used in my community. So you don't have permission to use bad words in my community. Okay. I think depends upon the moderators I have that added. I will add more managing moderators if you want me. It's just channel balances. It's coming out fine. I don't know. Settings save timestamps. So up till now only one participant that is only me. Pop-up chat I have open also open on okay. Thing to see here we popped out restore chat. Okay. Participant is only one participant. I am there only. Oh, just see the stream. Just at least message if you get my stream. This is not fair. Like you are not messaging to me. Do you have watched my stream or something? Like you caught my stream or something? You are not like posted. Okay, I posted. I posted. That's done, I think. Generally also in post. Okay. So done. Okay. This post. Okay. So David's hardest possible precautions. Okay. Hardest possible precautions. Title you can see all IGCSE text select community. Uh, community IGCSE you can do great, I think. It's mostly an IGCSE video, so you can do it on relatives, tips, family, and IGCSE. This channel is mainly for IGCSE I have put, okay? So IGCSE O level, comma O level, IGCSE notes mostly. There will be one more channel, okay, which I will be using some tips, okay? Add tags, okay. Okay. So without wasting much time, let's get to work. Okay. So I will be creating today a website, homermatric.com, or there you can find anything that you want to know. Okay. Just I will open inbox and I will get to know like get notification of now. Just see my stream. If you want to know about this stream, I will post a description link of there was one more video IGCSE level math positive where you have 85 views. Just see that video first that was streamed 2 months ago. That you see video first. In that video, I created my first ever math video. You can watch that for sequences that have covered mostly the concepts on that. That was before in May June 2026 session. Now today, as per the title, it's paper 2. So only one participant has rejoined. Okay. So, I mean, so without any chats, okay, I have uploaded like many things. Okay. Live commentary or I have list turn on subscribe only channel subscribers of 5 minutes or longer you can send messages. Then have one videos turn off subscribe. I have turned off subscribers mode. Anyone can send message now. Before I was like live commentary mode, I was on. Any questions? If you can send reaction, if you want, can I can get you to the past paper style questions also. And there will be some questions that you will be getting like sending. Then I put my phone on silent so that I can get this. Just put it on silent. So this stream is gonna be about roundabout. It's now 14 minutes, right? So just get to work. Okay. So the first question that I'm going to discuss is most of the major students, what you know they do is know they know the concept and each and everything. But it comes to question, no, like I mean, when it comes to question, no, they will mess up. Like the students will mess up. Because the students will mess up and they will not be able. Now you will hear me properly. The students will mess up and they will not be and they will be wasting their time. So in order for that things, I have give them suggestions. I have like Uh, I have notebook with me. I have diary here in front of me. I will be solving questions from textbook or resources you can use. Best is IGCSE. For IGCSE, in order to ace your major 2026 exam session, I told you Mathlil by Sad is a YouTuber for Pakistan and other cinematics you watch also them. I've also included them as in my moderation. They will also see, and I have this. And you don't. I think you are not viewing the channel. These students, they think I am not creating exam-oriented thing. This is exact exam-oriented. And today is 11th June. No, today is what date? It is Thursday, 11th June. Huh? Today is Thursday, 11th June. So this stream was actually for 12th June, but I created it at 11th June. I streamed it today because your papers recently ended for MCQs on 9th June. So at 11th June, I will discuss the mistakes the student mostly did. So I've collected the data at for some positive comments also, EBI also there. Okay. So then there will be, I'll be having a question. But okay, let's not waste our time. We are already running short of time. Okay. 16 minutes. Okay, so today's first topic is for the stream. Chapter 6 Trigonometry ratios the students form. It's a strand. If you go to your IGCSE syllabus, there you just type. I will just share you with your IGCSE codes. Okay, IGCSE Maths 0580. Before studying anything, refer to syllabus. Let's copy. Search on YouTube. Search on Google. For O levels, I will also write for O level 4024 rows for level students. Find syllabus copy of your curriculum. Your curriculum. Which curriculum? Yeah, this channel is only for Cambridge students only. Whether it's Edexcel's for Edexcel IGCSE also, I will write for Edexcel IGCSE too. For this channel is for GCSE also, GCSE, GCE, O level, anything, whatever you are doing, but it must be equivalent to Cambridge grade 9 and 10. Whether you are EQA, Oxford EQA, OCAR, these are all equivalent. OCAR, these three you will find in UK, QA, Oxford, QS, OCAR. This kind of WJ, then WJEC, it's also a board. I think it's a 11th or 12th class, 9 or 10, that's also part of UK. So wherever you are living, whether if you are having these things now, just open the syllabus copy first. As per my, I mean, you will open IGCSE syllabus because in IGCSE there is core and extended, and for IGCSE and O level, I will share. I'm saying I will share. I will have having WhatsApp. There will be all my notes. You will be referring to my notes, PPT and everything. Okay. Now I'm going to see how many students are doing astrometry. It's coming excellent. Current viewers, not chat rate is 4. Okay. Views is 7. Okay, 7 views are there. Any 7 people has watching me, it means. Oh, thank you guys very much. I got 7 views. Just just be 159 views to 68. Right. This video will be only for 32. See, I have less time now, 20 minutes are over. So I have to do this video and complete this video in 45 to 50 minutes. Or yeah, maximum is 30 to 40, 30 to 45 minutes I have to complete. So the first question in trigonometry I will do is in trigonometry, it's a strand. Chapter 1 is your number, then chapter 2 is algebra. Mostly algebra, I noticed that students are making mistakes and they don't know how to comprehend the question and they are very confused and they don't know how to write the answer. So these all doubts I will clear. Actually, I can't speak. Today I was having too much work in school, so that's why I was not having. And the reason is I created today. My last stream was on May 10, 2026. After that, exams come. Then I went to my home country. Sorry for the delays, but now I'm having my term exams from June 15 to June 29. So maybe on June 15 I will not be able to do this live stream. That's why I'm doing online. So I have it 12, 13, 10, 15. Only 4 days left. After 4 days, I'm having exam. So before exam, I will give strong tips. If you are a year 11 student, year 10, you can contact definitely, because I'm exiting year 10. I'm passing with good grades this time. This term exam is very important. This will decide my core and extended. So inshallah, I will go for extended. And then after I secure extended, then I will go for year 11 batch. Then I will give you tips for live mock 1. I will also do live mock 2. After this stream, I will give you one paper also in my next stream, live mock 1, live mock 2. For year 10 or year 11, whether you are okay. Then I'm gonna test your skills, like how much you are being confident in order to solve the question. So let's not get our time, 20 minutes are over, okay? So the past preparation questions that I'm gonna be sharing today is okay. Okay, okay. So yeah, there are some notes mostly. Okay. So in order to get an A star in IGCSE, there will be two things. Well, please like the channel, share the channel. There are 9 views. Do it fast, do it fast. There is non-current viewed also. I got non-views. Just do to 50 to 99 views. Just if you have doubt, if you have any doubts, write on chat who are me to best. If your student have any guys, if you have like anything, if you have doubts, then just ask me. Type on chat. Chat is free. Type on chat your doubts. So the most common mistake that I noticed in May June 2026 section is for you it was cancelled all the exam because due to the regional and this all this one. So for Pakistan, and this India, I think India also, all around the world, Bangladesh, this all wrote exams. Now they are given for Cambridge IGCSE, A level, AS level, OCR, GCSE, GCE, all Edexcel. They're saying all the boards struggle on not only in understanding the concept, they don't understand the multi-problem solving. This time the math was the most application exam because IGCSE is mostly test applications. So there will be regarding of course there will be 2 to 3 to more steps. Okay. That's why I'm doing solving one-on-one an example question. Before moving to trigonometry in 3D, I'm going to be solving. Before trigonometry is a complex concept. I will move into numbers straightforward. So in this stream, I'm gonna cover as per the topic. It was trigonometry, but you need to know about basic trigonometry. I will teach today. That's SOHCAHTOA. Now that thing I will explain also. This keyword we use in when I am in year 10. My teacher told me, my math teacher recently told me, just use SOHCAHTOA in order to get the value of sine, cosine, tangent. There are three functions on calculator: sine, cosine, tangent. For sine, the formula is opposite by hypotenuse. For cos, it is opposite by adjacent by hypotenuse, and for tan, it is opposite by adjacent. I will gonna be writing the notes. This video I'm gonna be more for focusing. So if I don't talk, just don't say I'm here. I'm physically here in the class. I have anything, okay. So there will be two things that I'm gonna be testing you upon. That I'm gonna be testing you upon, okay? Listen, I'm not testing anybody's. I don't like to test students. I always remain on a like safer side. Now there are 11 views. Mashallah, mashallah. Just go to just type on me on the chat that your chat rate is still 0. गाइस आप चैट रेट नहीं कर रहे, आप लोग चैट नहीं कर रहे, कौन करंट व्यूअर्स भी 0 हो गए। इसको जैसे अब व्यूज 11 हो रहे हैं ना, इसी तरह से आप लाइक यू हैव टू, आई एम शेयरिंग द स्ट्रीम आल्सो, बट यू जस्ट क्लिक ऑन द स्ट्रीम, ओके, you just click on the stream, select stream. I've also done this stream I'm talking about, so mainly you have to focus on this stream, select stream, it's this one, live one, okay, and this I'm doing live stream. So my ACS students, WS students, my fans, my all three fans just come back. There is an important concept I'm creating. चैट रेट पे अभी भी कुछ नहीं हो रहा। चैट रेट भाई चैट पे लिखोगे मुझे हेलो हाय करोगे ना, यहाँ पे आएगा चैट का बटन है, एक सेकंड यार। See, there will be a chat button here. Chat as a producer. You just need to write hello hi I'm this YouTuber, for example. Here will be in the first, who the one who will type here being first in the leaderboard, it will be by showing support, try sending a live chat or super chat, okay? Just do it and just do it. Just do it. Community moderation is also less, like there is less community moderation. I'm doing it, bro. Community, I'm doing it. Okay, just not waste our time on community. I have 11 views. Just do it to 1000 views mostly तो हो जाए ना। यानी 1000 तक तो views कम से कम है 1000, क्योंकि ये वीडियो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट और एग्जाम ओरिएंटेड पे बात करूंगा आज। टू द पॉइंट बात करूंगा। आई विल स्पीक ओनली टुडे टू द पॉइंट। That is not so easy, 26 minutes. So I have to convert this video to 45 minutes. Now let's start. So before knowing something, okay, there will be a note that, okay, just wait, just wait, just wait, entire screen. See system audio. Can you guys hear me by the way? Look, can you hear me guys? Because I was thinking that nobody can hear me, like, that's why. Okay, so yeah, regarding the past paper style questions, I'm giving the students more feedbacks, okay? So for example, if there is any question here, sticky note, okay? Note, click on note, type anything to remember this. Sticky notes, you type tips or this note I will share also in the description. That's what IGCSE. Oh, okay, okay. It's like we will become student, the one who's with full past paper practice and full syllabus, the one who's in syllabus practice and past paper. Now we're giving three tips for the students who are doing this. Now I'm giving you tips, sticky notes, just write it here, okay? For maths, I'm giving for topic number unit 1. Today we'll cover unit before trigonometry, we'll do unit 6 trigonometry. Actually, the order was from numbers till all that I will make, okay? But the most complex concepts today, the videos on. You can just see by the title. That's concepts, most difficult questions I will solve. Trigonometry. Topic is topic one is your it comes your what you call sine, cosine, which is sine, cos, tan, tangent for right angle triangles. Now this I'll give tips, formulas, everything. There will be a triangle fixed shape and given to you, and they will twist it little bit. So I will be covering the concept. There are concepts for this topic, especially in trigonometry. There is non-angle triangles and right angle triangles. Most of the students know right angle triangle, but they will. I know the students because I'm also in the same phase. The students will definitely be doing an error there will definitely be an error, which the student will mostly they will do errors and this use okay opposite divide. That's why I was testing you whether in between what you have to write is divide or multiply. Divide hypotenuse. The opposite कौन सा हमारा साइड होता है? It is 90 degree. Okay, okay, beta. That's 90 degree. I will create on my this whiteboard if you want me. Okay, I will create on a whiteboard the figure. So imagine you are creating a question, like a past paper question came to you in your exam, and you got stuck. For example, you got stuck. In order to know that past paper question, just give me seconds. There is like the call. I think quality is getting lower. I'm getting run out of signals. I will just be back in 2 to 3 minutes. Just give me 2 to 3 seconds, students. Okay. Nice break time for you guys, given. I will be discussing because there's an important guest at my house. It's 21 minutes. I will be just quickly smiling what I'm saying. Okay, just see my screen. Just you can see. I will tell you on whiteboard everything. Can you see the whiteboard, children? Children, can you see the whiteboard, right? So here my online session. I will show you every notes that I've created here. Mostly I will be writing notes here. Now for 1 moment, right? You know, right? Now, yeah, you know. And trigonometry, what do you do? Sine, cosine, tangent, that you know, that you will be able to do. Okay. So the past paper questions will be also like this. I created choose this whiteboard so that you can understand more better. If my voice is audible, okay, it's audible. Okay, I will be explaining fast because my time is running. It's about 45 minutes to 50. Okay, so I will be strict to time. So okay, thickness I will increase. Okay, just wait a minute. Just wait, children. Actually, my notes pad is a little loading because I don't have mouse with me. I have to buy that. So when I have a mouse, no, I will write career notes in minutes. Yeah, I will be solving on right angle triangles, basic trigonometry today's stream. I will be solving also non-angle triangle stream too because trigonometry I will cover it today in the stream. Will not create any separate videos topic, but if you want that I will create in my next stream maybe. Because trigonometry I will cover fully in the stream, but if you, because their concepts a little bit higher complexity will increase. As you solve past paper questions, you will be able to know. I will be solving here past paper question. Just know that you will have to go through some concepts. Then I will be only then you will be only able to solve past paper questions. Children usually no they read the concept, they just go to past paper questions, then they struggle. That's the reason they are facing an exam anxiety issue. You understand what I'm saying? That's the reason. Assalamualaikum. Walaikum assalam.
आपने वो सॉल्व किया था क्वेश्चन पास्ट पेपर के क्वेश्चंस? हाँ।
Miss, I have just some guests in my. I will.
अच्छा,
Okay.
तो क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किए थे ना आपने?
Yes, so the past paper questions today I'm going to be solving it. There will be some things that you have to understand, okay? Children, you're getting what I'm trying to say for most of the children. I think I think they are connected. So there was okay. Ah, somebody's okay. Just leave it, okay? So trigonometry, there are few things you have to know for trigonometry. That is there. Okay, okay, okay. I'm sorry. There is trigonometry. TRIG. This you cannot trigonometry because it's not writing completely like my mouse. I have to scroll down this one. For example, there is a triangle. Okay, like this. Then you draw like this. Triangle you have. Okay. Now, suppose they have given here. Now I'll tell you how to identify opposite relation. This there is a right angle here. This you all know, no? This square is 90. Then they have given measurements to you 10 centimeters. And then you know this is will be your like normally this side always right like the slanted height, like the height. I will give you some keywords also for remembrance. Here will be keywords. I will post all these notes I have saved with me. I will post this in description box. You can see after this stream. Okay. Just like my stream guys channel. If you're new to the channel, just subscribe. I'm getting 11 views. You are seeing my videos. Okay. But you're not applying, but you're not typing on chat what you're getting. Are you getting this? Do you understand how I draw this triangle? This is a right angle triangle. ये right angle triangle है. In this, I have like straight line, slanted height. It's in a straight line. Okay. This is basically a right angle triangle. Now, how I know it's a right angle triangle? Basic definition of right angle triangle we have learned from our classes. It's to angle at 90. Angle 90 because there is an angle 90, then you will not see right angle triangle. And then you mistake and you take this as 2 centimeter. Now, you want to find this third side that you will find from Pythagoras theorem. That is the Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Now Pythagoras theorem, how you will go a square plus b square. Now this is which side? You can this is basically your hypotenuse. So I will just write the formula. Before knowing trigonometry, you need to know Pythagoras theorem. Okay, this is trigonometry. Basically, before knowing trigonometry, you need to know Pythagoras theorem in 3D first. Because the Pythagoras theorem will be not only in triangles, it will can be in 3D shape, but mostly it's for triangles. You will get the questions. The past paper questions that I will be solving past paper question. That's why I'm going through the concepts little bit fast. Okay, so clear now. Then Okay, sorry, children. Okay, so this is Pythagoras theorem. This is before knowing trigonometry, you need to know Pythagoras theorem. So I will be covering Pythagoras theorem is too much easy. I will be giving you formulas. This is a question and formulas will be on my other side. This is question side and formulas for that I wrote na keywords formulas. Before solving math is the most scoring subject. Now why? Can anybody tell me why math is a scoring subject? Tell me on description. Live chat reply. Tell me why math is the most scoring subject. It does not depend on from which board you came. It depends upon like from where you are traveling. From where it does not depend because math everybody will be same whether you are at Excel or anywhere. Okay, is it clear? Okay, this is complete as Pythagoras. Sorry, there is some errors. Pythagoras. Okay. So keywords that I'm gonna to write for this is formulas. Basically, it's not keywords. It's formula. Formulas. Formula sheet. Formula sheet will be given you in IGCSE. If you're in year 10, year 11, year 10, year 11, they will give you. Year 10 means grade 9. Year 11 means grade 10. Grade 9 and 10, you don't need to buy hat. But not all formulas will be given. Trigonometry, they will give you sine, cosine, sine rule, cosine rule, which we will study in non-angle triangles. Formula will give you, I think, for formula sheet, I will also post in the teams or not from the team, sorry. I mean, like, I will post from the syllabus, okay? Actually, I'm studying too much these days, so my brain, it's not fast, not okay, sorry, no. Just remember it's SOHCAHTOA. Like SOHCAHTOA. Just remember this keyword, civil and everything. At the end of and for the video, I told you what is SOHCAHTOA, right? SOHCAHTOA and Pythagoras theorem will come from there. Because Pythagoras theorem is not to understand, first you have to understand SOHCAHTOA. So on cast time. Okay, now why I'm telling this because Pythagoras and trigonometry is little bit, and Pythagoras and trigonometry I will write, okay? So today Trigonometry is focusing on the concepts. So SOHCAHTOA. S is basically okay. So S is sine, sine cos tan. No. Okay. Now the sine. Now you can identify from this keyword. From this particular keyword. S is there. That sign. Now what operation is between O and H? Most of the students say it's multiplication. It's coming as multiplication, but that's wrong. It is sine equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse. Now I will come to my original figure. This side, okay. Now this longer side, you will just see that this longer side. Now this longer side. Now how you will identify this is shorter side. This is I call this keyword. Remember it for it is slant height. Yani like for example, someone is standing at you and like for example, let's say that you're in a you went to hospital and your doctor asked you for your height also. So your height you almost measured like this. You stand up straight, right? So you stand up straight. You can't bend or do this like so. It's straight. This line straight identifies slant height. This is a keyword, but the main thing is I will write in the keyword slant height for you. But the main thing is this is this particular line, wait, I will just click, okay. This particular line will be mainly opposite, or another word, perpendicular. Some books, no, it will be opposite, and some books it will be perpendicular. So it doesn't matter. You can use perpendicular also, or perpendicular. Perpendicular means 90 degree. Now perpendicular is mostly stored. I said 90 degree. That's wrong. 90 degrees for right angle. Opposite is like it's opposite to each other. For see, for example, on this 10 centimeters is here, right? So opposite angle you want to find here. It is this will be the opposite angle. This here will be the opposite. Here it's 10 centimeters at the straight. So what will be opposite to it? So see, here this angle will be no. Sorry. I made a mistake. Yeah. This I said this will be as your then this will be your as adjacent, which is known as another word is adjacent and known as base. This you call as adjacent ADAGACNT, and this is BASC. This is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse HYPO. This you already know, no? Hypotenuse. Okay. Hypotenuse. Okay. Do you understand, guys? I'm asking you again. Are you guys understanding what I am doing? Or I should go slow? Just tell me in the comment section. Okay, so this is 90-degree angle, right? So as per my explanation, I said it's a right angle triangle. But when you have to find an angle now, most of the students may make a mistake. If they have to find the angle of this, for example, mostly now the students have found this side, let's say 6 centimeter or 2 centimeter, that c square equal to do like this. We call this is as c square. You call as base, which is your a square. This you call as your b square. Now you need to find your b square. Now the formula will be c square minus a square. That student will do square root of c square minus a square. They will add b square to that. Then b square there and the value something 2.2 something value will come. For example, for example, you get 2 centimeter for this side. 2 centimeter. Let's assume it. Okay. You get 2 centimeters. Now the question twisted. They asked like find the angle. Yes. Now for angle, I will do something separate. Here if the notes are little bit missed, no, I will write it neat. Okay. I will summarize. This is Pythagoras. This I draw a triangle. Okay. This I draw a triangle. This is hypotenuse. This is opposite, or another word is perpendicular, and this is adjacent or base. This SOHCAHTOA I did, and this cosine stand for this C is cosine, and this is A divided by, I will write here equal to cos equal to cos. Sorry if my handwriting got a little bit bad. It's because of like this. Okay, like cos. Okay, I will write it again. So cos equal to equal to cos equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, and tan will be O by A, which is opposite by adjacent. Tan. This you remember first before solving today. You don't have to go to past paper questions. Okay, today I will be referring only concepts. Today I will not solve past paper question. One past paper question I will show you on trigonometry, how to appearing. Trigonometry in 3 days coming. This is the starting part of this is SOHCAHTOA. This was taught in grade 8. This I'm teaching. This topic was grade 8 topic. Grade 8 basic topic. If this topic is if your this is not clear, grade 8 right angle triangles. Right angle. This is topic right angle topic, no, topic, topic. Wait, I will write it here, okay, separately. In this topic, no, I'll move it here, topic, topic, topic. How this is. So I'll erase it, okay? I'll erase it. I'll erase the extra stuff that's making you confused, okay? Erasing the extra stuff, okay? Okay. Topic is this side I told Pythagoras, and this side keywords is very different because formula SOHCAHTOA, if you know, then Pythagoras and geometry, you understood fully. Like for right angle triangles, you learn like both topics in one year. Just for maths, you need to visualize the diagram carefully. Count it carefully. The students in May June 2026 know they wrote for math, they have done like easy marks, they lost marks in histogram, which is past 4 marker question. Then this cumulative frequency, it was so easy question. When frequency is given to you as 5, you have to add up to next number. For example, frequency is given to you, for example, frequency table 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And cumulative frequency you have to find. So first you keep as 1 same, then 1 plus 2. In the frequency table is there 2 plus 1, 3, then 3 to 2. Then whatever the 2 plus 1, 3, then 3 plus 3, 3 you get 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5 you get 15. So it was so easy question, cumulative frequency. And when it comes to box plots and that thing kind of things, when you have to plotting, mostly students may lose the marks. Plotting, the students lose the marks. Whether you are at GCSE or level, A level, S level, Edexcel, okay, or OCR, UK, OCR, anywhere. Most, they said most all across all the board, they struggled with the students that lost 3 marks. In algebra was the easiest topic. Like in algebra, they don't know rearranging of the equation that no cycle theorem, they lost the marks for IGCSE. Mostly they lost in algebra. Manipulation solving, then trigonometry, they lost transformation, they lost. And because these topics are interconnected, probability and statistics, I said to you, probability and statistics is one of the easiest topic in maths. Factor stat at the end. You can score most marks from there. I don't know why students get it wrong. That's why their grade went down, no? Cambridge IGCSE, that's according to the predictions. But when you will get your results, just when your result is on August 18, 2026, right? Just message me your result, like how do you get a star or and then I will focus more upon those students, like whether on them, like I will focus more on that batch, whether I will focus more on on those students who score like less. Inshallah Ta'ala, nobody will score less. I am and like will get A or A star this month. Okay. So everything will be good. And just we have to always like care for good things. The question trigonometry and trigonometry. Okay, trigonometry. I write it here. Okay, trigonometry. Roll angle right. Trigonometry. Okay. Done. Okay, history. Okay. So this was the basic concept that has explained. Now I will be opening a past paper question. Before attempting a past paper question, I'm saying you guys, I will repeat once more time what I have written down. For example, so for in order to understand trigonometry, you need Pythagoras. This is which side? Now you comment, write down in the comment. Longer side I said that will be hypotenuse and slant height. I said like when you are measuring let's remember this slant height keyword. Then you will remember it's opposite or perpendicular. Then it's a straight line. Base जो आपके लेटा हो जैसे like this thing. Now I'm sitting on a bed, so it's base. Under this bed there will be base, right? Base. So that will be adjacent base. Or for example, base over bed or anything. So in the same way, this the thing that is laying down horizontally that will be adjacent. This will be your angle. But sometimes they will confuse you. They will find this length as said as c square minus a square root of c square minus a square root. Pythagoras theorem formula I am writing now. Let's note down these formulas in your notebook. This I wrote formulas. So it's like keyword was here. Okay. Keywords was here. Okay. Topic I will move away. Okay. Topic. Topic. Little bit messy. I did. I'm so sorry for that. Python. Pythagoras theorem and trigonometry. So Pythagoras theorem and trigonometry, you can do it as follows. Oh my gosh, okay. Trigonometry T got lost. This T will be more later. I will remove this T, okay. The extra things I will remove, okay. Grade 8 I will also remove, no problem. This concept was taught in grade 8. That I mean basically. So I will type it here, no. Grade 8 topic and grade 9 topic. Graded start like the teach triangle system. At the rate assessment center. Okay. Graded. Okay. Graded. Okay. Now I will do this. Erase it. So I will delete it. Topic I will also refine it again. Okay. Topic is Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras topic is Pythagoras. This I will keep as this. Sorry for my G and this because I'm not having mouse with me. Pythagoras theorem and trigonometry. Trigonometry. Successful. I will move here. Trigonometry. Now these are your notes. In the down side, this has the notes. Must be written down in your notes and notebook. These are important formulas. This I will repeat it again. Then I will write on the other side for Pythagoras theorem. Just memorize and just came back. I will be taking a formula test tomorrow. Before formula test, I will not be able to I will not let you leave the stream. Because I was a little bit worried when I saw the results now, this predictions now. What is what do you call it? Made in 2026. Whatever, okay, otherwise leave it. And students will make few mistakes. So this is a triangle that I draw. This is a right angle triangle. First integration is because there is a slant and height and there is an angle. But 10 centimeter, this was given you c square minus a square square root it, you find out 2 centimeter. Now the examiner will confuse you in order to find the inner angle. How to find out that? You will take either sine inverse, cos inverse, tan inverse. That you will do. That inverse one I will also teach you. Right. For angle finding also. Okay. Just I will zoom it out. Here will be formulas. Formula. This formula I will write it here again. SOHCAHTOA. This you can know. SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA keyword you can remember. You can write in your IGCSE board exam, no problem. Board exam you can write. Board exam you can write it. This for me, okay? This is SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA. Actually, wrote it already here. You can go from there to this is formula list. Write down this in your notebook, which I have highlighted with purple. This must go in your notebook. Then I will write for other one. Okay. This must go in your notebook. I'm saying you this like this you have to take serious. I will ask questions based on that, okay? Because maths, if you don't know the formulas, so you can't do anything. Like you cannot solve any question. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna give you some formula sheet, okay? It will be formulas that I will be writing on the whiteboard in front of you. So this you write in your notebook. A square equal, is it prominent or I have to use another? Wait, I will use another one. Orange, so it will be fine. A square equals to Celeris. A square A square plus B square is equal to C square. Now what is A square? Children told me A is your adjacent, which is known as base, adjacent or base. Then it will be B square, which will be your opposite, or you can say as a height also. Opposite or height you can take, okay? Opposite or perpendicular. I'll be showing a past paper question and I will be solving that question in few steps and everything. Just upon 900 angle triangle, I will find out Pythagoras theorem and this one C square is hypotenuse, okay? Hypotenuse, full spelling is HYP, HYP, P, O, T, E, N, U, S, E, E, N, U, U, S, E, E, N, U, S, E, U, S, E, hypotenuse. Then you write sine, cosine, over tan and with. In order to find sides, then you write SA, ASS, and CS, okay? Just write it as ASA, SSS, and SAS. Now, what does this keyword means that if you are asked, if you are given with two angles and you have to find a side, then what you will do? You will apply sine, cosine, tan. Now, mostly students will ask this question in the exam. Okay, now the technique for it I will give you. If you don't remember this, for example, you can use SOHCAHTOA. Because in this trigonometric question, I will solve one question, then I will tell you how the questions are coming. Okay. So this are your notes. This you have to keep the write down. Okay. Just you save it. I will take the picture also, and I will share this. Okay. This will be saved. This white. Okay, it will be saved. Okay. So I will go on next concept. Okay. This I will share it also. Share this whiteboard. So I will share this whiteboard also. Okay. This I will share. Okay. You don't worry. I will share this whiteboard. Okay. So another concept that I'm going to teach you is about like it's जो मैं अभी concept बताने लगा हूँ the concept that I'm going to tell you is about If there is a triangle given to you, how will be solving a question? That I one question I will be solving on live. Okay, two question I will solve live. Okay, this is angle. This is hypotenuse given 25 cm. One with Pythagoras theorem I will find without angle. This time I will not keep angle. Okay, just for your understanding, I will keep it like that. Okay, one once but the triangle is now find. Okay, 25 centimeter this is okay. Then you keep this as 10 measurement. Two sides you get now. Find the third side. Now they are asking this is as x. This angle they also has x. You need to find angle like that. Okay. This is a question did you get anyone how to solve this question in a minute in a calculator. If you are a non-calculator student, just need to put you need to find b square, right? B square equal to whatever you have to find first x, you have to keep always at the beginning. B square is equal to c square minus a square. C square minus a square. Square root of mostly you would write if one can take the square root also. Okay. Square root of a square. Sorry, my mistake was we have to take a square root. A c square. But that I said no. Square root c square minus a square. Then whatever the value you will get, okay, 25 square. Let's do the calculator. I'm having with me. It's not there. Okay. It's not there. You have to find there. In place of c, what I will write? Longer side, 25 square. Let's substitute now. This is like a piece of cake in front of you. Substitution now. So you remember the formula, then it's a piece of cake for you. So easy. Even when I learned it first time, I got confused. But math is only little math. Even math that you did today, it's better than your yesterday. It improves your yesterday. I improved my math through past professional questions. I will get to know how the questions are coming to me because I was not practicing past professional questions. So don't know improve your see. I'm not saying revise, do not revise textbook. Please go through thorough with the concepts of the trigonometry. Trigonometry is a challenge. They your class 9th, 10th, IGCSE, it's too easy. Then you go to AS level, you don't know. That will be also easy for you. AS level and A level will be easy. But it will not be that easy. AS level and A level will it's more about independent study. Teachers will come, they will teach, they will not like see whether you are learning on an GCSE teachers are very teacher. But the good schools in A levels also, AS level, they will, but more in independent study there. They will teach concept once, twice, thrice, but twice, maybe less, or mostly once to twice they will teach. That time you can't ask her. It depends upon the teacher whether it's there. So 25 square if you take, let's put in the calculator what 25 square. 10 square is 100, that everybody knows. Just put in the calculator 25 square, okay? I will do from my side too. Just 25 square, 25 square. I'm having calculator with me. Calculator what I was showing in the 25 square, which is 625, okay? Then you will get 625 minus 100. Minus 100. Minus 100. I will check my stream timing, how much it went. If it got exceeded, then I'm sorry. It got 31 hour. I'm so sorry, bro, guys. It went to 1 hour by mistake. So will solve this question in a minute, okay? I don't know, notice the time it got into 1 hour by mistake. Yes. Okay. One matter our company. Someone is our CEO. Who must give you So I will be solving a past paper question. Okay, the notes I have made. Okay, the notes I have made. The people are viewing and guest chatting. They will be giving. Okay, thank you very much. So man, for $200. Very precious. Okay, okay, that was a precious amount. Okay, so it went to 1 hour 10 minutes. But the concepts that I'm teaching is that like in the notes when it goes thorough with these notes. Okay, this was like 625 minus 100. Minus 100, this will give you. This you need to subtract it, then you have to take a square root, then you write as your final answer. Actually, I'm not having the calculator with minus 100. It says 525. So if you take square root of 525, you can do it mentally too. How? There are mental strategies for it. Okay. Just you need to think of 5 cube. 5 cube. 25, 25, you will multiply 5 by 25 now, you know. But it's coming 525. So what you will do, just divide the number by 5. You will get the number easily. Just divide 5 and okay. That's 105. Okay. So 105 into 5, you are getting 0, 2, 0, 0, 5, 6, 105. But when you take its square root, I will get the calculator and I will tell you the most accurate value. Okay. Just give me a second. I am just getting my calculator back. It is. I think it's in my code. I will get the angle. That will be done. So I'm saying that square root of 22, 525. Now what you will do, as is a strategy I will tell you. Just think of a number. Okay, square and square root, when you have this kind of situation, just do it square this. Because this square is, this is square root actually. Now square and square root will cancel. Now we get 525 again. Now think of a number in which you can divide, like a number you can divide, if you want to take square root on calculator, I will tell you an easy way. Okay, this calculator is here. Because you have to use always scientific calculator. For scientific calculator, scientific I'm having. Now this having trigonometry function, everything. Okay, now I want it as square root, right? Square root, I want I to equal to. I think it's having trigonometry. Maybe I'll just sine, cos, tan. No, not this. Actually, I'm not having the square root sign in my calculator. Log thumbs. 525. Okay. It's printed. So square root 525. This you get 22.9. If you always after decimal, if it in your question it is significant, mostly the students use easy marks how to round up your answer to three significant figures to decimal places. The thing is that here is 22.9, right? This is first significant figure, second significant before if before point there is 0.0000009. You after before point you don't read zero, after point you don't read zero. At 0.09. Now you have to find a significant figure. So before point zero no value, after point zero no value. Only 9 is the answer. So nine is a one significant figure. One that you find that find it to do like rounded to two decimal places, then it will be two decimal places. But here significant figure 2.9. First significant, second, third. It is saying you to find rounded to three significant figure, first, second, third. Now see as one. Now if the number if based on the number of figures significant figure, if there is three, the trick is just count the numbers. It's one, two, but you must. But there are some rules for significant figures like trailing zeros does count, trailing zero does count, leading zero does not count, non-zero digits does count, and the last one was leading zero. It was like, and then trailing zero, and the last one was like in where you will be having like some, yeah. And that rule is very rare. You will get like after point you are getting some value like 0.5 thousand. After decimal you get non-zero digit, then you're getting 0.000. That will have value. Correct. Obviously, it's all numbers, so it will have no value. So these are four rules that you have to keep in your mind. Okay. That I will also post. I will write also here. Those who are struggling with these concepts will get also 2.91. So as you know, one is less than five, so we round this. So we keep the number same 22.9. If it was here 1, 2, 3, 4, you keep it as same. Keep the number the same. If it is 5 or more than 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then you round it up. For example, if it was 9, then if it was here 5, then I give this 22.9 and convert it into 23. Because 9 changes the whole thing. It will be, no, sorry, it will change the whole thing. It will be 23. So if you want to do that, wanted to do that, like I will do that too. Mostly the students makes mistakes here 22.9. How to convert this into significant figure? Bro, just see 1, 2, 3, and 5. You are asking to convert into three significant figures. So this number you see 5. Now convert this value. This will be 23 comes from, because 22 after 22 comes 23. If you are not sure, just Google it. Just Google it for now. I know there will be confusing concepts. 23.0 is the answer for three significant figures. 23.0. Just verify. Is it correct? For when you are rounding this 2022.95 rounding to 3s, 3s, to 3s. Decimal place I will also teach. What's decimal then? It does not matter. Mostly it is 22.95 you get, right? 22.95 you can write. After decimal you must write two decimals. Don't. Okay, this is your final. And then what you will add here? Centimeters. But in that question, there is one more thing. You need to find an angle. I need to do sine, cosine, tan. You need to check. Now here is the angle. Now most students major mistake is on which side to check. Now you see this angle is how many angles is it having? There will be three angles. If this angle is given 90, these two angles you know. Now if suppose you don't know this angle, okay. In order to find out this angle, now the student will say this angle belongs to either this side or this side. Now this angle, whole angle will be defined to this whole side, straight line. You need to find x. And inner angle will be 90 only. But other that side that I found is 22.95. So we can keep the answer 22.95. that we did, how we just subtract these two, 25 square minus 10 square. Okay, guys, we don't have to cancel the roots actually, that's my bad. Okay, sorry, I made a mistake. You don't have to cancel the roots, you don't have to cancel it, you just have to write square root 525. You just need to remove this two. Okay, just need to remove this two. I will remove it for you. No need for brackets also. If you're confident, you can keep it. Like you are not confident, this. No, this will erase all of this, but you have to remove this bracket. Okay. Yes, I will remove, then the whole value will go. Okay, 525, the answer is 22.95. Okay. So the square root is on the outside. Okay. Then you keep it as. These notes I will be creating it as big because now they are smaller, but now they will be big. Okay. So this working is for question number one. Question number one. Now the other working is how to find this angle. Down this I will draw it on another plane. Now this triangle. Okay. Zoom out. Now this I will draw here. This is now darker. I will choose a darker prominent color. I solve a question here. Not studying. It's too much like let's zoom in so you can see the clear picture. Okay. So that same triangle will be draw here again. Whatever the side will get now. 25, 25, this angle 90, this we have to find it as x, okay? And that higher side was 22.95. Three pieces of information were given to us in the question. That was the triangle was, okay, here it was 90 degree. Yeah, what value is that to see? It's my here, it's here. Here it's 10, it's 25, and this is 22.95, this is 10, and this is 25. Okay, I will remember this. Here it is 10, 20, 10, 20. Okay. So when I did draw, it is it where I drawn the triangle. It's here, okay. So the triangle that I draw it was here. Okay. I will zoom in over there. Zoom in. Sorry. This question is connecting to this, okay? Here I created an arrow. This is a question to find angle. But you need to find here angle. That is theta. Cos theta, sin theta, which will be the angle theta you use mostly. This is a sine of theta. If you don't know, draw it like this. Theta. Okay, this is theta. But if you don't know, then just leave it. Okay, this is 90. This is 10 centimeters. Same values. Do not forget units. cm, and then this will be 25. And then this new side that I get after finding the c square minus a square and square root, this I found as 22.95. 22.95 something. Yeah, 22.95 it was. 22.94 it was. I think they had 22.91. These three wheel sides were specified. Now, interior angle we know, two angle and now when there are three sides to interior and one angle is missing, how you can work out that? Use SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA for this. Right. Just write it initially. Don't write like me. Just use write like neatly. So use SOHCAHTOA, the first step. SOHCAHTOA. You will remember O sine O by hypotenuse. I will tell you how to check whether it is a sine question, cos question, tan question, or which question it is. I'll tell you how to visualize angle. Yeah, most students also lose an IGCSE in trigonometry in visualizing the angles. They don't visualize the angle correctly. That's why they lead to sine and cos theta. They got the sine cos tan got down because they did not visualize the diagram carefully. That's the problem with the children. Most of the students are wrong. This is the inner angle. Now, this inner angle is for the slanted height. This anterior angle, now this angle will be for. Now, students will ask, sir, miss it, whether now this angle is here. Okay. So, this will be your, as you called. Okay. Just assume here's this 90 is given to you. These two angles you don't know. How you will find out with three steps? You have to use SOHCAHTOA. Now, you have to find the closest side, but you have to find out first, okay? You have to find out angle here. Will be here. But yeah, so I was saying angle will be here. Now this angle you keep that as x. X, theta x you can take. Sorry, it's always a different pen. Okay, theta x is equal to. Now you take two sides, okay? Now this angle 90 degree. Now tell me, is it for this side or the upper side? Tell me in the comment section. I want to hear it. Okay. I will tell you. Now this 90 degree is the near angle. Now this is or this. Most students, no teacher, they will ask teacher, it's making from this wire. It's not this. This is the angle. Nahi. This is the side. This is the angle. For this angle belongs to this. And this angle belongs to opposite. You need to find the opposite angle here. Like so, this you will keep as O. And the most closest side to this. So this is closest. Which one is closest side? Opposite and this. Now students will take this side also. Well as what cos or tan. Now this is O. And this is and now you have to think O is confirmed, right? This hypotenuse you don't need to find. Hypotenuse, if you want to find, then you have to find this angle. But you don't need to find. This angle belongs to this angle particular belongs to this whole side. Now this angle highlighting. Now see this angle belongs to this triangle. So this is a how you will identify whether it's a cos question or sine question. Uh, check this nearest angle to this. Now this angle you have to find check the nearest side. It's the nearest side. Yes, tell me. Is it cos? Is it so? Now I will ask the students. The one who will be intelligent one will be tell me. Now this question you have to answer. I am giving you 2 to 3 minutes time. Okay. Okay. Your time starts now. Okay. Okay. This question you have to answer everyone. Okay. I'm seeing a dashboard. How many students are watching the stream? By the way, that upper angle you have to find. 15 views. Oh, it's great. Just make it 259 views. Use max. So, That's irrelevant. Okay. Okay. Nobody is answering that question. Okay. Now time's up. So this is the angle. Okay. This is the angle. This is the angle. This was for this. Now for this side, the angle is this. This angle is the angle here side. This angle. This angle. For this side. And most students say then this known nature. This angle belongs to this upper angle. You know. This is for the straight side. This last angle, this is for this side. Now I will decide it. By the way, okay. Nobody's answering the question. So most on the left side is this and corresponding side will look opposite. All now opposite for this is this 10. It can't be 25. So this is sine question. So we will use x equals to sine sine equal to O by h you have right, okay. O by h. Opposite value you write and hypotenuse value you write, okay. That if opposite we already found out from that Pythagoras theorem 22.41. This I will keep it as a line, okay. 41 divided by hypotenuse will be 25. Hypotenuse will be 25. Just start this in your calculator, but with the sign in the verse, whatever answer you will get now. Sine inverse, you write it here, but this always provide bracket. Most common mistake a student does not provide bracket. You don't provide bracket, your whole mark question, your full steps is wrong. Most students don't provide here bracket. That's the most common error the students make. Always when there is an opposite, always look at the opposite. Like this opposite will be here. It can be there. The opposite will be here only. Okay. So sine inverse, and for angle you have to always do sine inverse. You have to see, I visualize the diagram carefully. Even I am a year 10 student, so I have learned this trigonometry Pythagoras. So this was a easy question that I give easy triangle. Now in other cases there will be tilted triangle also. How to find that I will cover in my next video. I will give you a past paper question. I will show a past paper question on this. You can try that question, okay? So as you know that complexity will be increasing. Sine inverse if you take, okay, I will take on my device. Sine inverse trigonometry. Okay. Sine inverse negative I can't take on my side, bro. Just take sine inverse, calculator, you will just find it. I will tell you the answer maybe around about. I will ask AI to help me though because I don't have calculator with me. So it will be the question will be of okay. Google Chrome. Okay. So you guys let me know for this question. This is a common task for you. The answer that you will get right, you need to put here degree. Okay. That this is your final step, then answer will get, then you will be born. Okay. So identity visualization of this question was finding the that side opposite 1 mark, then finding angle, identifying angle in the side that carries another 1 mark, then substituting this formula another mark. This I will write the mark distribution also. This carry this question alone carry this, okay. This 1 mark. This if you show this carry another mark, correct substitution. Then you are writing 520. This you can also make like if you substitute it correctly, the value you are getting correctly and subtraction you put. This carry another mark and final answer carry another mark. But this question is not completed till 5 mark. It can be a sub question also. Then here, if you zoom into this identification of angle 1 mark. This I will write it as one mark, 1 mark. This I'm telling mark distribution. Then before writing this angle, You write formula SOHCAHTOA, 1 mark. Then this correct substitution of this is like identifying whether it's a sine or cos or cosine. Then identifying this as 1 mark. Then correct answer with like degree always put, okay? If you don't put degree, you will lose your another mark. So count the number of marks. It's a part question, see. Now you will find why trigonometry is a high weightage topic. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, it's a 9 marker question. 9 mark question you will get. 9 mark question on trigonometry. Trigonometry is also the highest weightage topic. For the sub questions, you will get more on trigonometry. Maybe this may will not carrying like some of the steps. It's 622 minus 5. Maybe this will not carry mark, but this will carry mark. It's a an IGCSE exam. How many mark question you will get? Just make note down. In your term 3 exam, in your year 10, this for year 10. Finally, whether your term 1, year 10, and final board IGCSE examination, the weightage will never change because your year 10 question papers are based on past paper. Now I will show you a past paper question on this. Then we will then that's a home task for you to solve that question. Then we will be ending our class. Okay, we'll be ending then our this stream will be ending. If you found this video useful, and I will post this notes also. If you want me to organize it, I will organize it or I will take a snap. In year 10, year 11, it's a 9 marker question. 9 mark or 7 mark you will get. Mostly it's a 9, like more than 5. It is it's a non-simultaneous. Non-simultaneous question. It's a very easy question. It's 5 or 7 mark question. Then this trigonometry is also higher weightage. It's a 9, 7 mark question. Exact trigonometric values, I will also cover that. All things trigonometry in 3D will also come. This is the start of the trigonometry. This is basic trigonometric graphs, sketching curves. This all you will get in the trigonometry. You have to remember certain values like sine 30 and cos 30. Then tan 30, 60, 90, 0. You have to remember the values, but there will be a technique for that I will cover in my next videos for trigonometry. So this was part 1. Name this video as part 1. I will show a past paper question to you. Just wait a minute. Just show a past paper. Difficult question I will pick. Okay. It will be not an easy question. Just wait. I'm finding a past paper question. I'm just opening it. I'll create a website today for my notes. I will upload these all notes over there. You can find my notes, okay, freely. Okay, I will give you a past paper question in the stream. I will post it. You have to solve that question and can class with the solution in the next class, okay? Dear, please write me that your username, please, dear. Or you like, yeah, I give you to your name. You just type in the chat, okay? Because I have to end the stream. It went to 1 hour 43 minutes, so I have to end the stream. Past paper question, it's coming for tropicals. I'll send you really past papers, maybe really past papers or topical papers you can do from PMT or from there too. I don't remember clearly. And there I will show you how the questions are framed. Okay. Can you solve that past paper question and give me the solution of that in next video? I will ask it. Okay. Solve that. Send me on notebook. Okay. That through YouTube it will not be, but tell me the answer that you wrote. Then I will look at your steps with the marking scheme. I will match your steps. Okay. I will give the marking scheme for that paper in the next video. Okay. I will give you that question now. I open from topical past papers. It's not from yearly past papers. So the content you have to know is about like yes, the content for yearly past paper will be like from question paper trigonometry IGCSE we have to research. Then there will be three things. One is level core and extended. For the beginners, it's core exam. So miss, we have to do that question, miss, please. Yeah. Like ram with length 23 meters slopes up at an angle. Yeah. Yeah, that. So this yearly past paper I'm sharing. This will it. This paper is not taken from any website. It's just as students. It's not students. It's just I usually have to solve this paper. I will post this paper to you. Getting where this is consisting of basic trigonometry. Concentrate with found credits similar to that. Just try to attempt this, and I will ask in the next miss, and I will solve this question in the next videos. Videos. I'll solve these past paper questions. Just write down the question number, but draw the figure also. Otherwise, I will not be able to understand miss like how I like. I will not understand like the teachers. The teachers will not understand. Like, the examiner will also not will give you the marks if you did not show the set. Like for example, if it's 1 mark question, you still have to show the working. Okay, so still then, miss, I've done that question. So then, bye. Bye, miss. Then bye, miss.